What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. I got my Falken Azenis tires. These are 225/40 18, and these are the K plus. Extremely great tires, man. These got a lot of grip on them. Just took the stickers off here, and you see a little dust on it, but these are brand new. Getting ready to put them on now, so these are the new tire setups. I just wanted to do a quick video so you guys can see that. I think I got these on Tire Rack, so if you want, you guys can probably see here. So yeah, these are the 225/40. They also have them in 35 and 45 or 255. So yeah, man, I just loaded them in the back seat and we're getting ready to put them on. I also got some tire stickers for these. I'll be putting them on later. And the reason why I'm replacing these is because my tires are getting bald, so let me show you guys. There's barely any, how much room in there. They have a very thick shoulder for a track. So if you're gonna go on the track with these are really good. I'm not gonna be tracking my car, but I'm gonna be driving like I'm on the track. No, I'm just kidding. They are made in Japan. As you can see right there, that's the inside of them. Really nice and smooth. And super thick. They got Zenith. They have a Zenith right there in the middle there on the tread. Look how thick it is in there. Extremely thick. This is a very good summer tire, actually, but it does rain. And I believe that these will do very well in the rain. Alright guys, this is just to let you guys hear how the tires that I have on the car, actually. I forgot to mention that these tires have like a really loud sound. They sound like 4x4 tires. I never really, well, since I'm on this from the topic of tires, now I can actually do a review of the tires that I have had or that I'm taking off of the car. If you hear my car, it's saying woo, 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 and then when I start up, they start to sound like big 4x4 tires. I mean, that's a lot of noise coming from the outside into the cabin for a car, if you know what I mean. And sometimes when I'm driving on the expressway, when I get around, let's say 70 to 80, the car shakes. But we'll listen to the sound of these tires. And these are already worn. They're not really terribly worn in the front. The back, those are the ones I really wanted to replace. So I said, oh, let me just replace all 4 of them. But listen. Now you might need headphones for that, or you might have surround sound on your TV. But these are the, I think, Ohtsu tires. They're also made by the same company. These are their like cheaper brand from the Falkens. I said Falkens. From the Falken brand. They're really good still for 1.4 liter. Great. If you're driving a V6 600 horsepower vehicle, you would burn these tires up pretty good. Listen to the Hopefully I can get like a red light. Let me know if you guys can hear that in the comment section. These tires, they grip pretty good for a small car like this, small engine. A little bit over 200 horsepower, but listen. I'm not even giving it any gas, I'm just letting the car roll. So yeah, they sound like, I mean, I always thought that was weird that they sound like if they were, it sounded like I was driving a truck. I didn't really mind it, but just before I, put these new tires on, I just wanted to make sure I let everybody know that the tires that I'm taking off are really good tires for the price. For the price, they're really good. You're just gonna have to deal with these tires sounding like you're driving a freaking 18-wheeler. They stick really good, but they're not the best. Now, if this was a Camaro or something like that, I might be saying something different. I probably would have wore these tires out faster. I got a nail in the tire the other day, and the tire was pretty low. I got low tire pressure. They do good with nails as well. If you get a nail in these tires, your tire probably is gonna run. It's gonna take you to it's gonna take you somewhere to get it plugged because the tires are thick, and the nail sticks in place pretty good. Now, when I got the nail in the tire, I took it to a shop over here in the hood. If you're not familiar with Miami Gardens, this is Miami Gardens. And they plugged it up for me. And when I saw that tire, I was like, damn, how much life you got on those tires? And the guy said, hey man, them tires on this deathbed, man, you're gonna have to you're gonna have a funeral for those tires. So if you don't know, this is the place right here. It's in, called Owls. Really cool spot, I ain't gonna lie. Even though it's in the hood, these guys do take care of you really good though, man. I really do like it here. So, let's see. So they're gonna be able to do it. So I'm just go ahead and ask them. Some people in the hood don't like to be recorded, so I'm gonna just go ahead and just turn the camera off. Let me see how ball. I can see how ball. Yeah, that one had the problems on it. Yeah. Oh yeah, that thing's gone. Those look like the back of my neck. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now I always wanted to know where to put it at, but now I know I can just put it anywhere. Got them caliper covers. Gotta get them big brakes on here. The caliper cover came off. Soon we're gonna be taking these off. No more GM brakes. The road is getting rusty and all that water that be down here in Florida. Look how rusty that is. But they're gonna be changed out. I don't know, is this bar here gonna be changed out too? Yeah, it probably is. they sound so quiet. You can barely hear anything. Let me turn the AC down because sometimes the mic can pick up a lot of noise. But these sound a lot more quieter than the other tires. Yeah, it sounds way better. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that, but I'm rolling like around 14 miles per hour. And with the other tires, you would probably hear like a that same noise that those big off-road tires. Same noise. Yeah, so here.